Welcome to our video tour of TONGSHEN's mid-mounted motor installation. Tools need: remove the bike handlebars, remove the brakes, mounting the thumb throttle to the handlebars, install the brakes back on the handlebar, install the handlebar back onto the handlebar, angle and secure the thumb throttle, resecure the brakes and handbar, mounting the display on the handlebar. Remove the left bike crank arm. Remove the bottom bracket. Remove the crankset. Push the mid-motor through the bottom bracket. Fix motor screws and nuts. Install right side crank arm. Reload the bike chain. Install left side crank arm. Install the speed sensor. Attaching magnets to spoke. Adjustment of sensing angle. Follow the arrows to connect the cables. Connect the motor 1T4 cable. Complete thumb throttle and display wiring connections. Complete battery and motor wiring connection. Let's see the final work. We've organized the wire. The bike looks neat and clean. Let's power it up, and then try to turn it on.